of, and it looks like this package unit's been put in jail. They put it in these cages to prevent people from stealing parts out of them. So I have to try to fit in there. It's even hooked up to the alarm if that door opens. So there's our return down here. This is access in. I've changed out the draft motor on this before, but let me pull back here and see if I can get the whole view of it. That's it. And then the neighbor one is the same way. It's locked up. So we're going to try to work on this. Sometimes it makes access difficult. Okay, here's an example of a centrifugal switch on a draft motor. The switch is up here. I came up and it's a no heating call today, and I noticed that there's that black spot on that board, or that dark spot, but I'm tracing out why the igniter won't come on. So that's what a centrifugal switch looks like. Most of the time they're on package units. That's the switch there, and those are the leads for the motor down there. So we'll keep working and keep you up to date. No, you can put everything together and we can put that in.